Hola, hola, Coca-Colas. I just wanted to give you a quick walkthrough on how to access the assignments in Google Classroom. Every week, I will label the assignment by the week that we're in. So, week 4, virtual learning in Espanol. You go ahead and click on that assignment, and it'll bring you to a window that will look kind of like this. This is the teacher version, so it won't look exactly like your screen. So today we're actually going to be learning about the parts of the house. You're going to use the link below to access your presentation and do your work. So you'll go ahead and click on this link right here where it says sign in Google Accounts. When you do that, it will bring you to a window that looks similar to this. And what you're going to do is enter your first name dot last name at lps-students.org email. Your parents do have access to this email. I sent it to them already. And you're going to enter that email. And then you're also going to enter the password to your email. If you have any older brothers and sisters, grades 2, 3, 4, and 5, they can totally help you with how to use Pear Deck. They've been using it already. So the first thing Pear Deck's actually going to do is going to ask you, ¿Cómo estás? Or how are you feeling today? Are you feliz, regular, o triste? Yo estoy feliz. So once you've entered the program, you're actually going to see your greeting, hola, buenos dias, and you're going to use the arrows that you see here on the bottom to move through the presentation. So let's move on. Welcome to my online Spanish class. Today we are going to practice the parts of the house in Spanish. First thing I want you to do is watch this video. It's a cute little song introducing you to all the different parts of the house. After you've watched the song, we can actually begin to review the words we just learned in the song. So let's go. Cocina. Yo estoy en la cocina. Can you take a guess at what room of the house this is? I'll give you a minute. If you guessed the kitchen, you got it. La sala. This is a place where your family might spend a lot of time, either watching TV, playing games, or just relaxing. Do you know what room that is? If you said living room, you got it correct. La habitación, or we also call it el cuarto. Whichever word you think is easiest for you to use, go ahead. Habitación, cuarto. El cuarto that we see on the screen right now is a lot more organized than mine. My goodness. El baño. This is where we should all be brushing our teeth every morning and every night and making sure to wash our hands over the course of the day. Which room is this? El baño. One of my favorite places to be on a nice sunny day, el patio. Can you say it with me? El patio. Now that we know all our words, we can go ahead and practice. So you're going to click on the arrow, and here I'm asking you to draw a line matching each room to its name. So you have all these cool colors. I'm going to go with a nice little magenta. And right now I'm on the pencil, but it might be easier to use either the highlighter, but I prefer a line. And what you will do here is you will be matching each room to its name. So let's do one of these together. I'm going to choose this part of the house. What part is it? Is it la cocina, habitación, patio, sala, or baño? If you guessed that it is el patio, you guessed correct. So you do this for all 5 parts of the house. Once you've finished with all 5 parts of the house, click on the arrow And oh, who do you see there? I've given you an optional assignment. Send a picture to my email of you and your favorite part of the house. Right here is where you see my email that you can have your parents or older siblings send the picture to. Can you guess what part of the house is my favorite? Is it el patio or is it la cocina? I'll let you figure it out. Adios, chiquitos.